Context switching, task switching, multitasking, whatever you want to call these behaviors, one thing's for sure. They're all incredibly hard on your already taxed out brain. And while the immediate costs might feel small, the compounding impact on your focus is staggering. According to psychologist Gerald Weinberg, each extra task or context you switch to and from eats up 20 to 80% of your overall productivity. Imagine that. So here are 5 easy tips to creating habits that will rebuild your focus and prevent you from all this switching. Batch and time block your schedule to create clearer focus boundaries. Context switching doesn't just kill your focus. It also eats into the overall time you have to do your most important work. This is what we like to call focus work. Designing for designers, coding for developers, etc. Develop solid and doable boundaries so you don't stray into other tasks. Build a habit of single tasking throughout the day. When you single task, focus on just one thing at a time. You're more productive, less stress, and even more creative. This leads to more and better work done. Add in routines and rituals that remove attention residue. Build routines and rituals for when you need to hard switch tasks. When it comes time to jump from email mode to development mode, you'll need something more powerful. A ritual is any repeated behavior that signals to your mind that it's time to switch gears. This could mean grabbing a cup of coffee, closing your laptop, or walking around your home office. Use regular breaks and rest to recharge. We all go through a cycle of energy highs and lows throughout the day, and our mind naturally wanders when our energy levels dip. You can't be in a state of high energy, high focus all day long, but you can help keep your energy higher throughout the day by taking short breaks to recharge. Master the end of day shift from work to non-work mode. Finally, context and task switching doesn't just happen during the workday. If you're unable to disconnect at the end of the day, you won't be able to give your mind the rest it needs to focus deeply tomorrow. The modern workplace is only getting busier, but the more you let yourself fall into context switching, the harder it is to hit your goals and feel good about the work you do. Multitasking is a myth, and the only way to do more in less time is to focus on one at a time. For more tips about digital marketing and outsourcing, make sure that you like all of our social media accounts and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel.